Hello buddies. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today we'll find out how to install the RPG Toram Online on PC, therefore, we can enjoy with keyboard and mouse on a large screen. No more need to keep the eyes on a small display, but it's the time to try out RPG Toram Online on PC. I am going to set up this game on my PC to demonstrate all the necessary steps. Thus, let's begin. The first thing is to open our favorite internet browser, in our case Google Chrome, and you're only going to go to the URL present in the description of the video, or perhaps in the very first pinned comment. It is the website link. I display it here in case you intend to see it a little bit larger. Click it, it will lead you to this page of BlueStacks RPG Toram Online. BlueStacks is a software to set up any Android game on PC, and so let us install RPG Toram Online in this way. It's an Android emulator, which emulates tablets as well as Android mobile phones. Therefore we can use a mouse and keyboard, utilize a large screen, etc. Go to the button, Download RPG Toram Online for PC, to download RPG Toram Online. The download is complete, right here in the file. Open this saved file. If agreement or conditions display on the screen, then you'll have to respond with yes and then accept them. To check out the game installer, it's better to minimize the browser tab like this. Now I am going to select the directory where I have to install this game. The directory can be picked simply by pressing Customize the installation. We just leave it as it is, we head over to Back, and then we click the Install Now button. It'll download just a few megabytes. If you have fast internet, then the file will be downloaded rapidly. The installation of the emulator will start immediately. Now the installation process is done. Do not forget that the PC will take some time to make configuration settings for BlueStacks and to launch it, but next time, it's going to start instantly. This part is very crucial. Here is an option for Google Play, sign in, you should go here. Sign in, once more, and will also ask us the information to sign in to Google Play. You cannot continue to install the game without sign in because it's a Google Play game. In this particular step, we are going to just sign in into the Google account. We have now logged into the Google Play account. You will be supposed to accept the terms of use, and for this purpose, simply press on I agree. It asks for creating a backup of the system in the cloud storage, but we don't require it, so we click no. Anyway, we have eventually reached our Google Play account. If you need to return to the desktop, you need to click this small arrow. You will see these icons, BlueStacks Multi-Instance and also BlueStacks. The first one is actually to start the BlueStacks app. Now we will try out installing RPG Toram Online. We will have to go to Google Play for installing this game. Google Play will also ask you to set up the account and also the payment method. We aren't planning on buying anything at all, and we will choose the Skip button. RPG Toram Online is being downloaded, show patience. Speedier net connection is recommended to complete the game download quickly. Therefore I'm going to skip and wait for the download to complete. Wow, here is the icon of your favorite game, and this icon is the same as the one that appears on the cell phone. Launching the game on laptop or computer is now extremely easy, just click this icon twice and there you have it. It's also possible to open RPG Toram Online with BlueStacks. We just click this particular icon and launch it. This is the keyboard setting if you want to configure it. Anyhow, keyboard settings already look appropriate, and so we will undoubtedly close it. Firstly, I would like to explain how there are two big screen options. By clicking here on the Maximize bar, the emulator will be increased. Still, if you want to get a 100% big screen, then this particular option is not good. Click F11 to have 100% full screen, then touch precisely the same key to go to normal mode. If you would like to enjoy the game without any interruption, then playing in the full screen setting is the best solution. There isn't any doubt that playing a game in an emulator needs a lot of power, and so the performance will depend on the power of your computer. Within no time, I'll explain how to change the game language. For this reason, you are expected to click on Preferences. There are various languages available for RPG Toram Online. And that's translated. Anyways, here is the game installed. Quite simple. If you enjoyed the video, just give a thumb up, like it, subscribe if the Usitility channel is useful, as well as any feedback you've left in the comment box, and we will reply. Thank you very much for paying attention to this video, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye.